Good morning students, welcome to Narana Live classes. So today we are going to discuss the assignment given to you all on the topic fiber to fabric. And students, this assignment is given to you all on 11th August. So let us discuss the first question. The food of silkworm is dash. So the food of silkworm is mulberry leaves. So they feed on mulberry leaves. Okay, let us discuss the second question. Silk fiber are made of a dash. So silk fiber is made of a protein. Okay, let us discuss the third question. Sheep hair is cut and processed into dash. So it is cut and processed into a synthetic fiber known as wool. Okay, let us talk about the fourth question. The sheared skin with hair is thoroughly washed in tanks to remove grease, dust and dirt. So this process is called as dash. So this process is called as scouring. SCOURING. It is scouring. Let us discuss the fifth question. The fleece of the sheep along with a thin layer of skin is removed from its body. This process is called as dash. So this process of removing the fleece from the sheep is known as shearing. Okay, let us discuss the sixth question. The small fluffy fibers are called as dash. So they are known as bulbs. Seventh question. Silkworm are the caterpillars of dash. So they are the caterpillars of silk moth. The eighth question. The process of taking out thread from cocoon for the use as silk is called as dash. So it is called as reeling of the silk. Okay, the ninth question. The rearing of silkworm for obtaining silk is called as dash. So it is called as sericulture. The 10th question. The caterpillar completely covers itself by silk fiber and turns into pupa. This covering is known as cocoon. So this covering is known as cocoon. Okay. So thank you students. Have a great day ahead.